Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another useful automation which is going to combine the power of HubSpot CRM with the convenience of Google Drive. That's right. I'm going to share with you how you can share a Google Drive folder automatically on closing or winning a deal in HubSpot CRM. So guys, HubSpot is a great tool for managing your sales pipeline, and Google Drive is a great tool for file sharing and storage. So if you are in sales, you already know how important it is to manage your sales pipeline effectively, especially when it comes to sharing of the files and folders with the clients or customers. Okay. So this video is going to be really important. It is going to save a lot of your time, and you can build this automation without any coding really easily. So let me show you how we can set up this automation. To set up the workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste the link of this page in the description so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month. Okay, so you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can just sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard like this. And from this dashboard, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name. Now I'm clicking on create button, and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up our automation. Trigger is the event which starts the workflow, and the action is an automated response or the consequence of the trigger. In our use case, guys, what we are going to do, we are going to manually close a deal in HubSpot CRM, and then we want that a Google Drive folder should be created for that deal, and it will be shared with the contact associated with the deal automatically. Okay. So first of all, we need to click on this trigger, and here we need to search for HubSpot CRM. Okay, and connect it. Select the trigger event now as deal updated. Okay, so select deal updated option, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and then click on connect with HubSpot. And it might bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in HubSpot, so it's just asking me to provide the connection access. So select the account name from here and click on choose account, and it will be connected in a few seconds. So we are now connected, and here you can see it is asking for the output properties. This means whenever the deal is updated to one stage, what are the things that you want to fetch out here in the response of this workflow, of this trigger. So guys, in the output property, I am going to select the data related with deals. Okay, so I'm going to select deal name, deal stage, deal owner, deal type, and deals description. Okay, and if you have any contact related to the deal, you can select that option also. Okay, and here I have selected is deal closed question as well, so it will give me the answer of that also. Okay, so right, so these are the things that I want to fetch out. If you want to fetch all other things, you can just select the options from here. So I am selecting the last thing, the source contact as well. Okay, now guys, what I'm going to do, I am going to go to my HubSpot CRM like this, and this is the deal section. Okay, and we have this standard plan one deal which I have created on this date. Okay, this is the closure date. So guys, this is the deals section of HubSpot, and here you can see I have a deal here. You can see standard plan _1. This is the deal's name, and here is the deal stage, and this is the closure date. Okay, so guys, in the deal stage field, I am going to change the stage of the deal, and I am going to make it to this closed won option. Okay, so this deal will be closed and it is under won stage, so I'm selecting closed won. Okay, and here I am clicking on save, and you can see the stage and the status is saved here. Now what I'm going to do here, clicking on save and send test request button, and the data of the same deal who I just updated will be fetched here in front of you. Look, you can see guys, in the response section we have received that the property is closed, yes, true. And here you can see this is the description of the deal, and this is the contact details, and this is the deal type. The deal stage is closed one, the deal name is standard plan 1, and this is the ID of the deal. So we have received a few things about the deal. Now we need to capture the remaining things. So we have received the deals, in the description we have received the contact associated with the deal as well. Okay, so now guys, I want to create a folder in my drive for this deal, and I'm going to share the link of that folder to this person whose email address is this, to send a request that please upload the documents related to the deal in this folder. Okay, so to create a folder, I'm going to use this action step, and here you can just search for Google Drive. But before connecting with Google Drive, you can see in this product description label, we have received the data like this. We have received the name, email address all together, but we need these things separately. Okay, because I want to share this drive, I'm going to share the drive folder to this email address. For that, we need to fetch out this email address from this whole text. For this, I am going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. So search for text formatter here in this action step, in the next action step. Okay, after that I am going to select the action event here as this text basic formatting. Select basic formatting of text, then click on connect, and here it is asking for the string and the transformation option. So here what we want to fetch out the email address from this given text. Okay, now for this what we can do, just map this property label here in this string option. Just click here, and from the last step map this description label, okay, like this. And here in the transform option, select extract email address. Okay, select extract email address, then click on save and send test request button, and here you can see in the result we got this email address extracted out. Okay, now guys, the next step would be to create a Google Drive folder. So I have opened another action window by clicking on this plus icon, and here I am going to search for Google Drive. Here it is selected, and select the action event as create a file or folder. Select this option, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. Okay, so from here you have to select that Google account by which you have the access to the drive. Select the account, then you have to give some additional access to your Google account, so just click on continue from here. Okay, you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected. And here it is asking for the file name and the file type. So here in the file type option, select drive folder, and in the file name you can give a name to this folder. So you can give the name of the folder to the name of the deal. So we got the name of the deal from the first step. So from here only I'm going to map the deal's name. So here you can see we have the deal name here, which is deal name standard plan 1. Just select it. Okay, map it, and here I'm going to put an underscore, and I'm going to type files. Okay, so the name of the folder would be the deal name underscore files. Okay, so it will be clear that the folder is for the files related to the deal. Now click on save and send test request button, and a new folder will be created inside your drive. Okay, so this is the response we got. We have received a new ID of the folder. So this means a new folder is created. Let me show you in my drive. So this is my drive, guys, and let me refresh it here. And here you can see, guys, we got a new folder created with the same name, standard plan underscore 1 underscore files. This is the same name I have given here. and the folder is created here, and this is a empty folder. Now I want to share this folder to the person associated with the deal. For that to happen, click here on this plus icon, and from here I'm going to connect with Google Drive again. Okay, and this time the action event I'm going to use is this one, share a file or folder. Okay, this one, share a file or folder. Not this one, actually I'm going to use this one, share a file or folder by ID. Okay, why I'm using this by ID? Because we have received the ID here of the newly created folder. Okay, now click on connect button. From here you can use the existing connection. We have already connected with the drive, so I'm keeping this existing connection option, and here click on save and you will be connected again. Okay, and here it will ask for the files or folders ID. So I'm going to map this ID that I have received here in this label, and I'm going to map it here. So to map it here, just toggle this map button to on. Okay, and here you can see it is showing us the help text. You can erase this, and from the last step, from the Google Drive step, just map this ID here. Okay, and here it is asking for the email address to which you want to share this folder. Okay, so here is the email address that we have extracted out from the trigger. Okay, so I'm going to map this result label here in the email address field. Just click here, and from the second step, map the email address. Role of the person can view or can edit, can comment. I'm selecting can edit because I want that the person should be able to upload anything in the drive. Okay, so I have selected this role. Whether to send a notification email, yes, we do want to send a notification, so it will be an automated notification sent by Google Drive. You can just select it true and check your connection with Google Drive by clicking on save and send test request, and I am going to show you how the email will appear. So guys, this is the inbox of the test client that I have mapped here. Okay, like this. Okay, and here I'm clicking on save and send test request button. So this is the response we got. Let me show you in the email inbox of our client if he receives the email, and here's how the email will be received. Here you can see folder shared with you, standard plan 1 files. Okay, so the folder got shared. Now if you want to notify the person as well that we have shared a folder with you to upload the documents, just click here on this plus icon, and now you can send an automated email as well by connecting Gmail here. Okay, select the action event as send email, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. From here you can select that Google account by which you want to send the email. Select the account, then click on continue. You can see we are getting connected, and here it will ask for the recipient email. So the recipient would be the same person which we got from our deal. The sender name, you can put your name here. So I'm going to put the sender's name as deal closure. Okay, email subject requesting, so I have typed the subject as requesting deal document. Okay, the content type will be plain. Here you can type a small email. Let me type the mail. So I have written a small piece of email. Here I am saying, hello, we have just shared a Google Drive folder with you. Please upload the deal documents in the folder. The folder name is this. So after hello, I can map the name of the person. You will get the name of the person from the first step. Okay, so we didn't have the name. No problem. Just keep the email as it is. We have the name here in this description label, but we need to fetch it out using text formatter. You can add that step if you want. For the folder's name, you can map the folder's name from the Google Drive step where we have created the folder. Here is the name label. Just map it like this. Okay. Now you can test your connection by clicking on save and send test request, and this email will be delivered to this email address that you have entered here or mapped here. Let me show you this email also. I am clicking on save and send test request button. Okay, this is the response we have got, and let me show you the email now. And here you can see the email is like this. The name is deal closure, the subject is requesting deal documents, and here's how the email will be delivered. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically, and I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.